Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to restart Android phone. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to make a restart of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to scroll down your control panel and here you'll get the option of power. Just select it and then select restart. But if you won't get this setting here, you just have to keep a long press on your power button and here this pop-up will be show. You just have to select restart to make a quick or force restart to your phone. So after this your screen will be fully blacked and after briefly 10 or 15 seconds the Android logo will be appear. Here you can see the Android logo has been appeared. So that's how you can make a quick or force restart to your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.